Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to check out these Harbor Freight 200 lumen LED light switch lights. These are a free item. You can get them for free with a free item coupon. And as always, if you are in need of a coupon, go to my website, struggleville.net. If you click on the free item coupon page, you will see a list of all the free item coupons. Update it regularly, so anything you need, if it's available, it'll be on that page. If you do not have a coupon, of course, you can use the 20% coupon, but the regular price on this is $4.99, so using a 20% coupon is kind of a waste unless you have absolutely nothing else to buy. Also, if you do not have a Harbor Freight buy for whatever reason, or aren't going to buy it on the website, for whatever reason, other options, the Goodwills in my area sell these things new in their packaging, and it's a different brand, but it's the exact same light for $5. Also, Dollar General has 2 packs of these for $10. Because this isn't an item that Harbor Freight makes themselves. They're buying it off of some factory in China and slapping their name on the bottom. So those other 2 stores have the exact same light. They just obviously don't say Harbor Freight on the bottom. So those are some other shopping options. It's a really cool light. For as far as a free item, it's probably become my favorite. You can see I have at least 3 of them. Monica has one in her trunk because her trunk light doesn't work, so they got magnets on the back. I'll pull it off here. You can see it has a Velcro option, and then there's 2 little magnets there. You can also mount it directly to a wall with the 2 little slotted holes there. But let's turn these things on. One thing that was kind of neat about these in particular, turn off all the other lights in the room. So you can see the one over here is more of a white daylight color, while these 2 are more of a blue. So on that K scale, maybe around 6,000 for these, or 5,500, and then 5,500 or 5,000 for this one. It's more of a daylight. Traditionally, with Harbor Freight items, and they've stopped doing this of late for whatever reason, you have the item number on the back here, 63922. And if you've ever looked at Harbor Freight coupons, you'll see that a lot of them will have 2, 3, 4, 5. They'll have a bunch of different item numbers for what essentially looks like the same item. And the different item numbers mean they came from different factories. Obviously in China or Taiwan or wherever the hell they're making them cheaply. But a different item number means came from a different factory. These all have the same item number, but you do have a different hue here on the one to the right. So maybe they're stopping doing that different factory for a different item number thing, or maybe it was just produced on a different time, a different run. Maybe the company changed the specific LED they were using inside the light. But you really don't, it's more dramatic on the camera than what I think it actually is as I'm just looking at it. But just one observation I saw when I was going through this to do it. So the Harbor Freight ones, all they do is slap a sticker on the back, has the mounting instructions, and just a warning label. So this one you can see I already have it pulled off as I showed you. You had the hook and loop option, Velcro option, whatever. One thing I don't like about that is I wish the Velcro, and I know they can't because of the battery compartments. The battery compartments are on either end, so maybe they couldn't do it that way, but you're much better having your Velcro on top and bottom. So if you want to put your own like 3M tape, Velcro tape on there or something, because the switch, you're putting pressure up and down. So when you create a high point right here, you're creating a pivot, so it wobbles. So it's a free item. I don't want to be too picky about it, but I would definitely, if I'm going to use the Velcro option, I'm going to stick them top and bottom right here to give it a flat surface and so it doesn't rock. Also, the magnets are pretty crappy, honestly. If you remember, I did just the other day a review on this Braun LED light, and it's got a great magnet on the bottom. I mean, that thing's solid. It's strong enough that you can move the light around, turn it on and off and all that without having any problems. This bar's not the greatest example for these magnets, but they're so loose that you can't flip the switch. You'd have to definitely use 2 hands, one to hold it in place and one to flip the switch. So if you used it as like a closet light or something where it's more permanently installed, your best option is definitely using the little slotted holes and actually fixing it to a spot in your house so it can't move around. We'll open up the battery compartments real quick. I'm assuming AAA's, but yep, we got a couple of AAA batteries in there. It says Warriors. I was wondering if it was the Harbor Freight brand. I'll assume there's 2 more up there. So obviously I think it'd be a better option to get some rechargeable batteries to stick in there. Or, if you really want to get crazy, I have one of those, what's it called, Magic Charger or something. I'll put a link down below if I can find it because I don't remember offhand what it's called, but it charges disposable batteries and rechargeable batteries. But of course we don't want to be filling up landfills when we don't have to, so be conscious of the batteries. It's a really cool item. Let's look real quick, see, just for fun I'll turn them all on. Look real quick and see how big they are. Of course I'm using my, oh, that's ruining it, isn't it? Pittsburgh Tools. You guys will never guess where I got this at. We can get it on the screen here. See how big these things are. So right about 4.5 inches that way. Just under 3 inches there. 0.8 of an inch going that way. So there you go, guys. That is the free item LED light. Like I said, probably my favorite Harbor Freight free item that's available right now, or maybe because it's new, so it wears off. We'll see if we still like it as much. But if you check out the reviews on Harbor Freight's website, it has tons of great reviews, 5 stars, like hundreds of people have reviewed it, so it is something that everyone seems to appreciate. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out my website, struggleville.net. Have all the 20% coupons, the free item coupons. What else do we got? The email list, the Vulcan accessory coupon. If you get it for the email list, you'll get about 2 emails a week with all the weekly coupons. We're going to have the Inside Track Club coupons on the YouTube channel at the beginning of every month and once a week. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.
are up there. That your pony is free, but I